Yo, what's up? This is Dave Gambrell from Digital Marketing Mentorship with Dave Gambrell. I want to show you something super handy in your Gmail. So I'm getting a lot of emails from Amy Porterfield because she's got her Digital Course Academy coming up. And so I have some stuff coming in from her here. And so one of the things I like to do is filter and folder these things. So you'll see what I'll do is I'll click on more. First of all, I click on this little sideways ellipsis. I don't even know what the technical term for that is. I've heard some people refer to it as a hamburger, but you click on this thing right here, filter messages like these. Okay, I'm going to do anything that comes from info and Amy Porterfield. You'll see though, like that's automatically in there, but if you want, you can add some other things like to, subject, has the words, doesn't have, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to create that filter because you'll see in the background here, a lot of these got captured, and that's exactly the ones that I wanted to get. So I'm going to create filter, and what I want to do is skip the inbox or archive it, and I'm going to apply the label. Because I'm a joint venture partner with Amy, I'm going to put it in, here's what I'm going to do, a new label, and I'm going to put Amy Porterfield, and I'm going to nest it under JV's joint ventures, and do create. Then the one thing you want to make sure you do to capture all these that are already in there, also apply filter to 33 matching conversations. Click create filter, blammo. It'll take a second. All of those things will pop over there. And you'll see when I click in here, now, boop, they're all in this Amy Porterfield box, which is great. And some of the older ones that are in there are set up as well. And they came out of my inbox. So there's none in there. Now, I also get some from Amy's team. So I would want to do the same thing. So I'm going to grab this one here. I'm going to do more, filter messages like these. This is from partners, and you see there's a couple of them that populated there in the background. Do the same thing, skip the inbox, apply the label. I'm going to do, now I can select it because it's in here. And I'm going to apply it to these conversations as well. And that way these things will never hit my inbox. They will just automatically get filtered over to there. And for some reason, it takes Gmail like a few seconds to make this happen. But you'll see that this number here, 14, should go up to 16 because the couple of those unread ones popped in there. See, now it says 16 over here because now they're all in there and they're out of my inbox, right? It reduced some of the clutter in my inbox. So that's just what I want to show you, filters and folders. If you are not doing that in your Gmail or your Outlook or whatever it is you're using, I highly recommend you do it to keep your inbox nice and clean, and then that way you can focus on the things you need to focus on when you want to focus on them. All right, have an awesome day. See you.